Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
We have here the Asus Zenbook Flip. This is the 14. The full model number will be in the description of this YouTube video. Retails for about 1100 US, 14 Canadian. As you can see, it's being built as nano bezel technology, so the bezel and the edge there's not very much there. It's running Intel i5 quad-core processor. It has 256 gigs of internal storage, and it is running an SSD. It has 8 gigs of RAM, which is fairly impressive. USB-C, stylus integration, yada yada yada. It's enough of me talking. Let's look at the box.
It's got a bunch of stuff going for it. It's a very long box. On the back, you'll see some of the specs Mike mentioned, as long with the model number there, so not to be confused with any other country's model number. You have some documentation. We're not going to go through every single one of these pages, but it does outline a little bit of radio frequency stuff. Go ahead and hold on to that. This will be a lot nicer when you buy at retail. This is a review unit sent directly to us, so it's a little bit jumbled, but you do have your power adapter right there, straight into your wall, 110 volt. So here it is right here. This is a hinged design, so you are able to flip it completely around. We're just going to explore a little bit of this before we open it up. You have your little standing pads here to gap for the fan, a fan on the back. You do have some speakers in the corner here too that aren't obstructed by a flat surface because you have these raised points, which are very nice. And when we open it up, we have a very nice keyboard with clicking and soft touch, and we have a fingerprint sensor, fingerprint scanner, sorry. Most Zen devices have this, Zen pads, Zen phones, etc. Nice feel on the keyboard. So on the side here you have a micro SD card, you have USB-C, 3.5mm headphone jack, full USB, DC-in, HDMI, really packed with some features over there. You even have a USB on the other side in case you have to plug something in over here. Battery indicator, fan, volume up and down, and power. Flipping over to the front, excuse the reflectivity as you look at the T-bar on our ceiling. Yeah. We have a front camera here, microphones, and very, very glossy. This is extremely glossy.
So stay tuned to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/goodereader, for a full hands-on review of this. Let us know in the comments box below what you want us to focus on for the full review. Do you want us to show you the ebook experience, newspapers, magazines? Do you want us to focus on the stylus, some more professional features? Let us know what you would like us to see in our full hands-on review, and we'll help you guys all out.
Absolutely.
For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.